Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing fine. This is Saima Javed from English activity class. I welcome my young learners to the English club. Once again, I am with you with another refreshing English learning activity. So let's see what is the name of the activity and what it is about. So here we go. So here is our activity, and the name of the activity is a visit to preposition family. Here you can see we are visiting. To whom we are visiting? We are visiting to preposition family, and along with English alphabets. So we cannot visit preposition family without English alphabets. We all are aware that each and every preposition family member is made up of these English alphabets. So we all are aware there are 26 alphabets. So let's see who is the family member and whom we are just joining there. Now let's see who is our first alphabet and who is the first family member of preposition family. Here we are picking this alphabet A. A is just shifted over here and he is just knocking at the door. And whom he is just knocking for? He is knocking for a preposition family member. And who is welcoming over here? The preposition family member above is welcoming us here. A is for above. Here the starting letter is A and the alphabet is also A. So A is for above. And what is the meaning of above? The meaning of above is higher than. It means that above the clouds. It means that the aeroplane is above the clouds. So aeroplane is higher than the cloud. And how we can use this above in the sentence? The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. Now, who is our next family member? The second alphabet, B is shifted over there. He is knocking at the gate and he is just asking for another family member. So, who is that another family member which is starting with letter B? He is the member between. Who is he? He is the member between. And what is the meaning of between? The meaning of between is in or into the space that separates two places, people or object. Here you can see two blocks are there and the mouse is hiding or playing between the two boxes. So this between means these two boxes are separated. So guys, where is the mouse? It is playing between the boxes. It is playing between the boxes. Now from the series of our English alphabets, here we are picking alphabet C. Now C is just here. C is at the door. C is saying that please welcome us. And who is welcoming us? Let's see. Preposition come is welcoming us. Come. What is the meaning of come? It means plus or along with being. It means that whenever we are using two things at the same time or two places at the same time, so we use come for joining these two places or the nouns or the objects. Here you can see in the picture a boy sitting over there. He is just sitting on his bed and at the same time he is just doing work in his laptop. Here you can see his study room is also there because some books are provided over here. So this room is his bedroom as well as is his study room. So how can we use this come in the sentence? We can make the sentence like this. I have a study cum bedroom. Now English alphabet, D is joining us and he is just at the door of the preposition family and here he is allowing us to meet down. D for down. What is the meaning of down? The meaning of down is to go towards lower level. Here you can see the ball from the upper level is coming down to the lower level. Here a slope is just following. So if we want to make the sentence of down, so how can we make the sentence? The ball is going down the stairs. Now family member whom we are meeting with alphabet E is except. Here the alphabet is E. It is shifted over here. E is just saying that who is welcoming us with alphabet E? Except is there. E for except. So what is the meaning of except? The meaning of except is not including or excluding. So here you can see many toys are there. Almost 12 toys are here. So if any one of you or me want to exclude any of the toy, exclude means not including any of the toy. So instead of saying not including, we will just use preposition except. And how can we make the sentence of except? We can make sentence like this. You can play with any toy except the robot. So students, all together we have learned 5 prepositions with 5 alphabets. A is for above, B is for between, C is for come, D is for down, and E is for except. So there are other family members in the preposition family. So likewise you can study by your own, and for these family members you can make another activity like this I have made for you. You can just compile all the pictures and you can make a photo album of this letter series and the preposition. Or in the another manner, you can just compile all the sentences and you can make a story as well. Like the aeroplane is flying above the clouds. So a mouse was there and he was playing between the boxes and icons. So this was all for today's English learning activity. Hope you all have understood what are the prepositions and enjoyed as well. So this is a time to say Allah Hafiz, Jazakallah Khair, and Allah Hafiz.